August 13th. I'm on Highway 78 between Brighton and Richland, and I don't think I've ever seen it rain this hard. I'm driving along looking for a place to pull over. Boone isn't concerned at all. Yeah, it's been kind of a wild day. Got to deal with an elephant this morning and gonna drown on the highway this afternoon. Holy cow. I tell you what, if the river over the road on 149 wasn't over now, it's gonna be, that didn't make any sense. But yeah, here we go. Thinks about letting up and then it comes down in sheets again. It's getting pretty wild.